Action Jackson. Alright, so this is a strawberry plant. And I'm reaching out to the gardening and the strawberry community because I need help. I need help. How do you get these going? Because when I plant them, it takes about 4 or 5 days, 6 days to sprout. But they end up disintegrating. And I do water a little. I mean a very little. I do not put it into the direct sun. I'm trying to get these going, but they just keep dying out. They keep disintegrating after like a week or two. I tried growing in an egg carton. That didn't work. That was a miserable fail. I do have the plastic over it. Maybe trap condensation in there. I really don't know. I saw it in another video. I need help though. How do you get these going without dying? These are white soul strawberries, or maybe pine berries as some refer to them. I bought it off eBay, the seeds. And I'm just trying to get it going. And there is the little seedlings right there. But I need help. So if anybody can help me out, comment. And yeah, thank you.